Hi, my name is Mimi Samsoneth, and you're watching How to Make Cardboard Car Wheel That Turns on One Mom's Perspective. Start with these items: scissors, utility knife, pencil, paper plate, small tiny cup, toilet paper roll, paper towel roll, ruler, and don't forget strong tape. Tape the tiny cup inside the toilet tissue roll. Cut and tape the center of the paper plate inside the tiny cup. Cut the paper plate to the desired size for your steering wheel. Also cut the toilet tissue roll and the paper towel roll to the desired lengths. Insert the toilet tissue roll into the paper towel roll. Now you have a steering wheel that turns, but don't stop yet, there's more. Place where you want your steering wheel to be. Though the wheel rotates, the front can still slip out of the paper towel roll. To secure the front structure to the paper towel roll, these two items are needed. Poke two tiny holes in the tiny cup to loop the twist tie through the cup. Secure that twist tie onto the popsicle stick on the other end of the paper towel roll. And ta-da! Now you have a steering wheel that rotates and turns without falling out. Oh, thank you for selling me your food. Now you go somewhere else? Okay, have a good sale. Thanks for watching.